All right, so we're just gonna save you some time, and here's the whole video. Oh, was that, you didn't catch, here, we'll play it again. Oh, is that too fast? I'm sorry, we'll slow it down. That's probably still too fast. I'm sorry. Way slower. This will be easy. Way slower. So here's a day in your warehouse. I'm sure it goes just like this. You got a shipment coming in. Beep, beep, that's the sound of a truck. And then you get your box, and you gotta keep track of this. You gotta know where it is, so you gotta write it down in your pen and paper. And yep, okay. And then, so now I gotta put this away, and that goes on the shelf. Gotta write that down too. Okay, yeah, right there. Take all this, and I'll be right back because I have to go into the office where the computer is. Okay, I'm back, and I put all the info in the computer, but now I got another, yeah, right here. I got a sales order that I need to, I gotta get a pick ticket. I'll be right back. Okay, so I got that, and now I got that thing that I had, well, it was over here, but I got it again. But I gotta make note of where that was. And then I'm gonna pack it, and I'm gonna put this in another box because I ordered a few things. And then I'm gonna mark that off. And then the truck is coming again to pick this up. Beep, 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 they're here. And now they took that stuff, and so I'm gonna make another note here on my spreadsheet. And, oh, I gotta put that in the computer. Okay, all done. And that took a long time. Imagine that like over and over all day long. That's a long time. What if it was something more like this? You have your shipment that comes in, beep, beep, here's the truck, it comes in, and now I just take my scanner and boop, it made that noise, not me. And then I received it, and now I need to put it somewhere and right on the shelf, boop, and I just put it there, and it's right here, and then I need to go to the computer. Actually, no, this all goes straight into the software, so I don't need to go anywhere. I could just take another box and do the same thing, and it's pretty fast. And then if you look at this time, it's a little bit faster. Okay, so obviously we're being a little hyperbolic here, but imagine doing everything by hand all day long over and over versus how many times you can get the same work done by just adding maybe a barcode scan or having some kind of software system so that it's just entered in automatically, how fast that is. Okay, so now multiply doing one way or the other times 10, times 20, times 50 times in a day that you're doing that in and out of your warehouse, working with your inventory. I mean, look at the time difference. I mean, that's enormous. How much time do you want to spend doing that? Think of how slow we are when we need to see information, process it, write it down. I mean, that's the beginning of the video, right? Now imagine with the barcode, boom, it's done, and it makes this noise, beep, which is great. Listen, you can spend all that time doing things by hand, or you could do it the easy way. It's up to you. I'm James, this is Whiteboard Wednesday.